Right, human?
Today, we're gonna take care of this thing. Now I've got short hair. Also, I had a TI 83 Plus when I was in high school, and still $96. It's not even 10 in the morning, and I'm already exhausted. But there's no time to be tired because we have a new employee today.
What?
And Todd and I are going to a thing for Glenn Kneebone this evening.
How many top 5s was that?
I don't know if that counts as a Todd 5.
That's okay then.
I'll count those.
Okay.
Anyway, Glenn is receiving some kind of award at the university tonight, so we are going to watch him get that award. And then apparently there's a basketball game happening at the university this evening. It's a possibility, it's not for sure, it's a possibility that Steve Bullock, the governor of Montana, will be there.
Neat.
Neat. The time has come. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Everybody, this is Hochschild. Say hi to Hochschild. She's joining the team as a illustrator, animator type person, so Josh has been showing her how we do. It's a nice bird you got there.
Yep. I'm a big fan of birds.
He's a big fan of birds.
It's almost like...
I'd love to sit and introduce you guys to Hochschild more, ask her some questions about who she is, what she likes, etc.
Etc.
However, Todd and I have a date. Many of you, if not most of you, remember Glenn Kneebone. He is being given an award tonight for his service to the University of Montana. So we are gonna go watch that ceremony, and then afterward we get to go hang out in the president's box at a basketball game.
They have snacks.
They have snacks, but I can't eat them probably. That's a dirty windshield you got there.
Thanks.
Oh, ooh. Some cleaning fluid. Look at this big old box of orders we got to drop off at the post office. We've had a whole lot of orders going out of the office recently. So we've been under this like mountain of orders that's backlogged our ability to get not only the orders themselves out, but also like Patreon perks and stuff. But it feels like, are we getting towards the end of that?
We sure are.
Backlog?
We're getting caught up.
It's the University of Montana campus. Anybody remember when I was going to class here? I had my calculus class, I had my anthropology class, my computer programming classes. I should go back to school.
No.
It's all my free time.
Nope.
So today is the University of Montana's 125th birthday. So this ceremony is Charter Day, and they're giving out awards. The president is going to talk, and by president I mean the president of the university, not Donald Trump.
Except I know it makes me feel proud to be an alumnus of the University of Montana. Happy birthday.
To the great University of Montana, happy 125th birthday.
Happy birthday, UN!
Happy birthday, UN.
Now we'd like to invite the recipient of this year's George M. Dennison Presidential Staff Award for Distinguished Accomplishment. And this goes to Glenn Kneebone. This award, also named for former President Dennison, is given to a staff member each year in recognition of distinguished accomplishment that lends luster to the University of Montana. Congratulations, Glenn.
Well, the lighting's not the best here, but let's see this award. It's the George M. Dennison Presidential Staff Award. Glenn, oh, we almost filmed Todd dying for distinguished accomplishment that lends luster to the University of Montana. Oh, look how they spelled luster. The fancy way.
Ooh, it is the fancy way. I'm at a place of education.
We get to hang out in the president's box above the basketball game. Dang. Right down there is where I used to sit and watch Claire do her cheerleading. That's some nice lemonade you got there.
Thanks.
Now we're in the Sky Club, which is like the rich people place to watch the basketball games. Apparently you have to pay like $3,000 to be able to come up in here, have some food. They got the cameras going on. Going the best for the University of Montana.
No. It's 11-20.
Not in our favor. That was one of the middle schools playing the halftime show. Oh, apparently it's all the middle schools from Missoula. We get to partake in the fancy food that they have over here because they made too much. Normally you have to pay, but today the riffraff get to partake. Glenn's happy. We've got 8 minutes and 40 seconds to make up 6 points. Now it's 7.5 minutes to make up 5 points. 6 minutes to make up 3 points. It's getting tense now. 1 point apart. Oh boy. Oh boy. Montana just got fouled. They're down by 2. So if she makes both of these, they'll be tied. Nope. 2 minutes. Now we're down by 4. Glenn, how do you feel about the outlook of this game?
I'm stressed.
Ooh, look at that countdown clock going. Well, 24 seconds left. Now down 8 points. Seems like they choked a little right there at the end.
Yeah, just a wee bit.
I don't think this is possible. I mean, at the end, they got themselves within a point. Thank you.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you for coming. It was nice.
Look at this cat.
Look at this guy. He has a fluffy tail.
Dang. Look at that cat. I'm surprised she's still in this room.
She doesn't have a fluffy tail.
She just usually seems like she runs away. Do they get along all right now?
I mean, kind of like Index and Radius do. He just stick towards her, and then she just kind of chases him.
Huh. Right, cat? Right.
He's right.
Todd has this laser pointer with kitty
So
paws
good.
on it.
Looking
And
up, so he's ready.
someone sees it and knows what's up. He's ready. Where's it gonna be? There it is. Oh, both of them are looking at it. Oh.
So they kind of take turns chasing it. So I want to show you a thing I got.
That's an automatic laser thing.
It sure is.
Oh, he had to take a break to clean his armpit real quick.
So.